This is what we call a total disaster. Kids, don't try this at home. This is someone cutting down a tree.
Is he gonna try to get it over to his gas?
Why is the house not the safest place, Mom?
Well, that would be the safest place, but then we wouldn't be able to see.
Yeah, but we could actually still get out of the house.
Well, we know if the power line came down, we wouldn't have any electricity. Well, you said it was 2:30.
Because we want to see Granny.
Granny won't be home until probably 40 minutes after that. Alright, watch out. Here it comes. Oh, maybe not.
It was throwing some wood out. Kind of a part that I'm
Here it goes.
Oh,
Uncle Toddy's
dang.
cutting.
What happens if it accidentally falls on top of Uncle Toddy? What?
I hope not.
If it does,
See that Daddy can move it?
what?
When Daddy's pulling on it, it can move it?
I'm gonna tell him,
No.
stop it.
Daddy's wanting to put tension on it so that it'll...
I hope Uncle Toddy makes a really good piece that me and Thomas can actually sit on. Well, right now he has a curve point onto it. That's a good start. I hope it's like a curved square. Or a square, or a curved square curve. Or a curved square.
Please stop.
What's the prize if you win?
I don't know.
Gang.
Bragging rights.
I know
Bragging
something.
rights. That's a terrible prize.
I know something. Riding a bull from its horns.
Playing with God.
Ooh. Playing with Guy.
But I don't think you would like to play with Guy, Mom. Do you? Do you want to play with Guy if you win?
Thomas.
Well, I'm starting to open up the thing right there.
Ooh, Guy. Will Guy freak out if the lights go out now?
We're almost 5 minutes into this and they still haven't got the tree down.
This must be.
Definitely wobbling a lot though.
Maybe he'll need more help.
I'm not going out there and risk my life.
Well, not me either.
Mom, I never know would do it.
watching.
I think it's about ready to go down.
Me too.
Wall one. It's coming down in a second now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
This video was made by Thomas Sims.
This video is made from Stephanie Sims also.
That's why Mommy's doing all the filming.
And also made from Sarah Sims.
Oh, oh, oh!
Hey, he's coming down! Big Bertha's coming down.
Bertha? Shh. Come on. Get out the double-sided axe.
They don't have the double-sided axe.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, yeah, they do. I forgot.
Nope, they got a sledgehammer and 2 wedges.
You mean a malt. An axe malt. It's very wobbly right now.
I hope this does not fall on Dad.
That one is too far away from it.
Will someone turn on the air?
Oh, here goes. Oh, come on, push, push, push.
Yeesh. How many tools did that you have to use?
Yeah, we're almost 8, well, we're 8 full minutes into this now.
Oh my word. I think my guess was the closest.